Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the antibiotic paste. First of all, you want to go to the tech tree and tier 1, go to the most right side and go to here. You'll see the antibiotic paste and click on it to research it. As you can see, you're gonna need some yeast, silica ore and charcoal. Silica ore is mostly found near the edges of the map, near these mountains. Charcoal is made by burning wood in a campfire, and yeast is found in the forest biome, as you can see here. It's found in this biome. So, to make it, just go to your inventory, crafting, and here you'll see the antibiotic paste. Click on it and craft. This, as you can see, it's going to diminish the impact of the cave sickness and infected wounds. So this is a good start if you want to go to a cave and you get the cave sickness and you want to get rid of it faster. This is a good option. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you next time.